Once upon a time there was a little fish who felt incredibly lonely and sad. All day long she swam around in her fishbowl, but none of her friends were around to keep her company. The fish missed her old companions terribly. Her little fins flapped slowly, and she looked longingly out of the fishbowl at the terrace. Her little heart ached with the desire for a friend. With a deep sigh, she whispered to herself, "I wish a friend just like me would fall from the sky into my heart, so I wouldn't have to feel so alone anymore." As the little fish thought about this, something unexpected happened. From the corner of the terrace, a big, fat lizard scuttled across the floor. The lizard was so plump that it slipped and fell right into the fishbowl with a loud splash. The little fish was startled by the sudden splash. Her heart raced, and she quickly swam to the edge of the fishbowl, sticking herself to the wall. The lizard, now floating in the water, looked even bigger and fatter than before. The poor little fish's heart was pounding in her chest, and she could feel the panic rising. The lizard flailed and struggled in the water, not knowing how to swim. The little fish's eyes widened, and she thought to herself, "Poor lizard, he doesn't even know how to swim." Her body trembled as the water splashed, and she felt the tank's water level dropping. She swam nervously around the edges of the tank, but the lizard kept thrashing in the water, making it even harder for her to breathe. The little fish watched as the lizard tried to climb the slippery sides of the fishbowl, but each time he tried, he slipped right back into the water with another loud splash. The poor little fish was feeling more and more distressed. The little fish spoke to the lizard, her voice filled with concern. "Relax, please stop moving so much. The water is running out, and if you keep thrashing around like this, I will suffocate." But the lizard didn't seem to hear her. His panic kept growing, and he continued to wriggle around, oblivious to the little fish's distress. Just as the fish was about to give up hope, she heard a sound at the door. It was Mr. Mustache, her owner, coming back into the room. The lizard, even more terrified now, struggled even harder, splashing around wildly in the water. The little fish's heart skipped a beat as she heard Mr. Mustache's footsteps getting closer. She prayed silently that he would notice what was happening. Mr. Mustache was surprised to see the lizard in the fishbowl. The little fish's face flushed with embarrassment. She wished she could explain that it wasn't her fault. She never asked for a lizard to fall into her home. She wanted to say, "I didn't want this to happen," but instead she stayed still, hoping Mr. Mustache would fix things. Mr. Mustache, understanding the situation, quickly went to get a glove and gently removed the lizard from the fishbowl. The lizard, relieved to be out of the water, scurried away to the terrace, where it hid behind a flower pot, happy to be saved. The little fish, now free from the lizard's chaos, felt an overwhelming sense of relief. She began to swim gracefully through the clear, cool water of the tank, feeling the calmness return. She twirled and danced in the water, as if celebrating her newfound peace. Mr. Mustache stoked the fishbowl and poured fresh water into it, carefully filling it up to the right level. The little fish felt a wave of happiness wash over her as she swam around in the fresh, clean water. She was no longer alone, and though she hadn't gotten the friend she had wished for, she realized that sometimes unexpected situations can lead to moments of relief and happiness. As the night went on, the little fish swam contentedly in her tank, grateful for the kind and caring Mr. Mustache who always took care of her.
Please like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icons for more videos.